day. So then we're going to open the top. We're going to open the bottom. Phillips head screwdriver, blade guard. I'm going to come up here where you're going to take top off. Now we're going to take the bottom off. So you don't lose them. Now your blade is free. So to release the blade, you'll come over on this side and just see this counterclockwise releases the blade. So you can actually then come back on this side if you want. And you will just start turning. So as you're releasing the blade, you'll see that the tension comes out, and then slowly it'll come here. After what seems a long time, the blade will eventually release. And then what you do, you'll have to move this little thing, take this off. And then you have to go in here and release this blade. This little protector. You take the blade off, you'll turn it so you can get out here. See this little thing? You'll take this out. So you'll take the blade off, it'll pop off the bottom, it'll pop off the top, and then you'll turn the blade towards you, and you'll bring it out here. Chop it up so no one gets hurt. Take the new blade, go in here, turn it, put it back on, and then we reverse